So the next one who will present is actually me. So that's easy. And basically, I will talk about E2 support using the E2 agent from FlexRig and OAI and the ORAN rig. So I just come quickly back to the presentation that I held before. So the short-term goals, so towards the end of this year, or well, latest beginning of next year, is to upgrade FlexRig to E2 AP version 2. So to have it interoperable with a variety of current rigs, to merge actually the E2 agent in the OpenAirInterface 5G repository, and then introduction of KPM v2 and interoperability with the XApp of the ORAN rig. So basically the demo will be relatively simple. So what I will do, I will have deployed OAI and with the GNB and 2 OAI UEs using RF simulator. So nothing surprising here. And basically there will be a FlexRig controller that will be connected via E2 AP to the GNB. And then I will have a separate KPM XApp that will collect some statistics via this E2 SM KPM service model that has been specified by ORAN. And so it will export some statistics for PDCP and MAC as an example. And in particular, I guess this demo is particularly interesting for those who want to get started. So I think if somebody wants to do it today, then at the end of the workshop, you will have exactly this demo running for yourself only on your laptop. So just come with Ubuntu laptop and then we will do it. So now, of course, you don't see the ORAN rig here, which has some technical limitations, let's say like this, that in my opinion lie more on the side of the ORAN rig. So there is a basic integration with the ORAN rig in the current release, so the F release, which I believe is not that old. But however, what I found out a bit late is that the KPIMon XApp neither has E2 AP v2 nor the corresponding service model in the corresponding version. So we can, or what you will see in the demo is actually the integration with the ORAN. So we see basically that there's a setup request and a setup response, but then we cannot go any further. But I'm happy to discuss this with you. And I've seen that there are a couple of people who work with the ORAN rig here. So let's discuss. And well, basically one more thing. So I don't think that it will take us that much time to integrate here because 1 year ago, we already had some rig integration with the B release. So you can be confident that next year this will work. So, and this is the demo.